Cicadas are fascinating insects known for their loud, distinctive songs and unique life cycles. They belong to the superfamily Cicadoidea within the order Hemiptera, making them relatives of leafhoppers and froghoppers. There are over 3,000 described species, with many more yet to be documented. Most cicadas live underground as nymphs for several years before emerging to molt into adults. Periodical cicadas, Magicicada species, spend 13 or 17 years underground before emerging en masse. They have been featured in art, literature, and mythology, symbolizing themes of rebirth and immortality.